Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can select who can tag you on TikTok videos. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on privacy, and then you need to scroll down and click on mention and tags, and here you can see the first option, who can tag you. Choose who can tag you in the videos. So you can see that by default it is everyone. You can select people you follow or your friends or no one. It is up to you. You can choose any four option according to your choice. For this account I'm going to select everyone. So by following these steps you can select who can tag you on TikTok videos. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.